So what is the step-by-step guide on getting the dental evaluation forms printed to your dentist and ready to go? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step on how to print it and how to get the dental evaluation forms done.
Moments later.
So one of the very first things that you have to do is actually get your dental work done. And how to do that is you can print out instructions on the Missionary portal when you sign on to your account when your bishop unlocks that password. So real quick, I'll just go over on how to print that through your internet browser. What's up everyone? And in this little section, we're just gonna show you how to get to the dental work. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna log in like usual. And if you wanna know how to get to this link, go ahead and check out my first video. Okay, there we go, I'm in. So you're just gonna continue. It's gonna ask to agree. You're gonna press I agree. And then you're gonna go down right here to print dental evaluation form. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna click that link. And when you do so, it's gonna have all of the information the dentist needs in order to check off and send to Salt Lake headquarters. So you're just gonna print that, and before you do that, there's actually a link over here on preparing your browser for printing, and it'll show you how and what the diameters, or the inches I should say, whoops, not diameters, to 0.25. There's a whole information sheet on that, but just go ahead and check that out before you print it. It's easy as pie, guys. Yeah, back to the video.
1 semester later.
And here's the papers. I'll go ahead and grab it. That looks like this. And this goes to your dentist. And what he or she's gonna do, she's gonna fill it out. She's gonna check your teeth, or he, and see what's needed to be able to be okay and enter the MVCD. But yeah, essentially for me, I had to get my wisdom teeth pulled out because when she was doing the checkoff boxes, she realized that my third molars could affect the 2 years I'd be gone. So here's actually a clip of me getting my wisdom teeth pulled out.
7:59 a.m.
Want to know what it's like to get your wisdom teeth pulled out? Well, in this series of video, we're gonna be pulling out my wisdom. Or my dentist is gonna be pulling out my wisdom teeth. Right now, we're going to the dentist, and I'm here with my little cousins. What's up? And my mom. Hey guys, say what's up. We have some visitors today in the Game Day Project. We're here with my cousin Zach and my cousin Telly. Hey guys, I just got yeah. Yeah, I can't. We're going on a mission. And if you're gonna get your wisdom teeth pulled out, man.
2,000 years later.
So that was a very fun day. Hopefully all y'all's will have a good experience on getting your wisdom teeth pulled out. I mean, not gonna sugarcoat it, it really hurt really bad, but I'm glad that it was over. So, but yeah guys, also check out the Missionary recommendation website, the one that your bishop will unlock for you, because a lot of information is given on there. Thank you guys so much for watching this video on how to get the dental procedures pretty much done. If you're interested in learning more on how to prepare for an admission, like I am currently, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button to be further notified. Again, I appreciate all my game day pros out there, and I will see you guys later.